Mr. President, thank you for what you said, and you're representing the presidency of the IPU, not the 12 plus, of course. So with all due respect to the 12 plus opinion or point of view, we definitely, in principle, condemn any occupation, and I'm talking from a country that we were occupied 30 years ago. So definitely we condemn any occupation, but at the same time, nobody, and I'm talking to the 12 plus through you, how can they ask for expelling the Russian delegation or any other delegation from the IPU for an invasion that took place before days or weeks, and not expelling the Israelis? That is an invasion that took place before 60 years. So that's, a double standard, and I don't think you as a president should accept such thing unless any country that occupies another country get expelled, and I'm with this approach personally. So you just have to watch that the standards should be the same, and you cannot measure in double standard. That was my comment, and I want to thank you for your stance in this position. Thank you very much.